Welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to draw a regular octagon given the distance across flats.
To draw a cycle, you are to use your compass to take the required radius from your ruler this way. Then you are to now draw your cycle. Now draw a horizontal line passing through the center of your cycle. You can do so using your ruler supported by your T-square. Also draw a vertical line passing through the center of your cycle. You can do so with your set square supported by your T-square. Please note that the diameter of the cycle you drew should be equal to the distance across flat of the octagon you are about to draw. Now to obtain your octagon, first draw a horizontal line at the top and bottom of your cycle. Also draw a vertical line at the left and right side of your cycle. Now use your 45-degree set square to draw lines tangential to your cycle, this way. Now make bold the parts that are supposed to be bold. The octagon has been drawn successfully. Now I will indicate the angle of inclination. You can dimension your drawing this way. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you're having challenge with any of your engineering drawing or technical drawing assignments, you can send the question to the WhatsApp number displayed. We solve the questions and send a video of the solution to you. It's completely free, it will not cost you a dime.